Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your smart home security setup. Buckle up, because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how this tiny device can revolutionize the way you protect your home. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, folks, let's talk about the Blink Add-on Sync Module 2. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another gadget. Do I really need this? Trust me, if you're already in the Blink ecosystem or thinking about jumping in, this little powerhouse is a must-have. So, what exactly does this sync module do? Well, it's like the brain of your Blink camera system. It connects all your Blink cameras to the internet and your smartphone app, making sure everything runs smoothly. But here's the kicker. It's not just a connector, it's a game changer for your storage options. With the Sync Module 2, you can say goodbye to those pesky cloud storage fees. This bad boy allows you to store your video clips locally using a USB flash drive. That's right, no more monthly subscriptions just to keep your footage. It's all right there, in your home, under your control. But wait, there's more. This module supports up to 10 Blink cameras. So whether you're securing a small apartment or a sprawling mansion, this little device has got you covered. And let's talk about setup. It's a breeze. Just plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and boom, you're ready to go. Now, I know some of you might be worried about compatibility. Well, fear not. The Sync Module 2 works with all Blink cameras, including the indoor, outdoor, and mini models. It's like the Swiss Army knife of smart home security, versatile and reliable. But here's the real question. Is it worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely. The ability to store footage locally is a game changer, especially if you're concerned about privacy or just tired of paying for cloud storage. Plus, it enhances the overall performance of your Blink system, making everything run smoother and faster. Now, I've been using this in my own home for a while now, and I've got to say, it's made a world of difference. My footage is more accessible, my system is more responsive, and I feel more in control of my home security than ever before. So, there you have it, folks. The Blink Add-on Sync Module 2. It's small, it's powerful, and it's ready to take your home security to the next level. If you're serious about protecting your home and maximizing your Blink system, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Don't just take my word for it though. Try it out for yourself and see the difference. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart.